Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your trusted pit stop for everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated power cruisers of 2026, the Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT. If you're into big engines, bold design, and ground-shaking torque, this one's for you. Let's get into what makes the new Rocket 3 Storm GT an absolute beast on the road. Design: bold, blacked out, and beautiful. Triumph has taken a darker turn with the 2026 Rocket 3 Storm GT. The most striking visual update? A fully blacked out treatment, with minimal chrome and aggressive styling cues that scream performance. The GT model retains its signature long and low silhouette, with forward foot controls, swept back bars, and a sculpted seat that strikes a perfect balance between touring comfort and muscle cruiser attitude. From its dual LED headlights to the black 20-spoke wheels, every detail is built to turn heads. Engine: more muscle than ever. At the heart of the Rocket 3 Storm GT is a monstrous 2,458 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder engine, the largest displacement of any production motorcycle. For 2026, Triumph has fine-tuned this powerhouse to deliver a staggering 182 PS, around 180 horsepower, and a jaw-dropping 225 Newton-meters of torque. That's more torque than most sports cars, and it kicks in low for relentless acceleration. Whether you're overtaking on the highway or flexing at a red light, this bike delivers unmatched performance with buttery smooth delivery. Performance: a cruiser that can corner. Despite its massive size, the Rocket 3 Storm GT handles with surprising agility. Triumph has equipped it with high-end components like a fully adjustable Showa suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and lightweight cast aluminum wheels to enhance both stability and responsiveness. Cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control add a layer of confidence, making the Rocket 3 Storm GT feel more like a sport bike in cruiser clothing. With a low center of gravity and refined ride-by-wire system, this machine offers the kind of ride quality that redefines what a muscle cruiser can be. Technology: touring meets tech. The 2026 Storm GT isn't just about raw power, it's smart too. The 5-inch TFT display integrates with Triumph's MyRide system, offering Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and even GoPro control. The GT model includes heated grips, cruise control, and a comfy backrest for the pillion, making it perfect for long-distance journeys. Riding modes like road, rain, sport, and a customizable rider mode let you tailor the bike's personality to suit any condition. Keyless ignition and a USB charging port round out a modern tech package that's seamlessly integrated into this classic cruiser form. Comfort and ergonomics, made for the long haul. The GT in Rocket 3 Storm GT stands for Grand Touring, and Triumph hasn't taken that lightly. The ergonomics are dialed in for comfort, with adjustable foot pegs and a touring-friendly seat. A fly screen provides wind protection without compromising the bike's aggressive look. For taller riders, the relaxed riding posture makes a real difference, and passenger accommodations are equally impressive. This is a bike that can chew through miles just as easily as it eats up pavement. Final thoughts: the ultimate power cruiser? So, is the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT the ultimate power cruiser? With its massive torque, sleek blacked-out styling, cutting-edge tech, and surprisingly nimble handling, it just might be. It's not just a showpiece, it's a performance monster built for real-world riding. Triumph has taken everything riders loved about the Rocket 3 and dialed it up into a storm that's hard to ignore. Outro: subscribe to Bike Buzz. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Triumph Rocket 3 Storm GT, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle reviews, tech breakdowns, and the latest two-wheeled news. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you ride the Storm GT, or is it too much bike for the road? Until next time, ride safe and stay buzzed.